Okay, we're going to cut this 1/4" fine thread to a 1/4" coarse thread. So that would be known as a universal thread. We have both. Damn, billet should have sharp. Okay, that looks straight that way and looks halfway close that way. Yeah. Close enough. Right, got too close. It appears to have both threads in there now.
Universal thread now.
Universal. One size fits all. Oh, geez. Damn is good.
Good thing there's soft stuff on the floor.
Walker's going to be pissed. You scratched up his aluminum billet piece of crap.
Oh, you can't even tell.
Oh,
wait a minute, there is a little scratch.
Oh my god. I'm never going to hear the end of it now.
Yeah, I think it was already there.
The comments are coming in by gangbusters now. Alright. Billet piece of crap. One more custom cable. Uh-oh, they're coming back. Damn, if they waited another 30 seconds, it would have been assembled.
Now there's kind of like, you know all those like TV shows where like, oh, we're going to build this bike within blah, blah, blah hours.
We did do it in so many hours.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying like, yeah,
we didn't say how many days though.
Do you remember that show they used to have where the guy used to, they'd pick somebody, you write a letter, they'd pick somebody, and then the guy would start building the bike. He was a beginner or just somebody who's not a professional. And then there'd be some guy there fucking with him the whole time.
Oh yeah, like, oh no, your bike's stolen or we took your fucking bike.
Yeah, I don't, you sure that's going to work? You know.
I would never do that.
Yeah, even.
I was like the ones that always start with lacing wheels like that was hard.
Yeah, then one time they, a couple times actually, they had a really hot chick. They're letting her build her bike, and of course, you know, they just.
Sure she did the whole thing all by herself.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, obviously, don't want to do it in a day. It's only been an hour since we started.
Yeah.
It's 2 o'clock almost. Started at 1, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Those labor rates, huh?
All right. First thing you do is you take this off. Custom cable. Custom tools. No tools required to work on a McKinney. At least a real one. Just poking a hole, slide it over, locks it. Retaining clip. Spring holds it. Drop in the hole. Line up the slot, drop it in.
Nice.
Screw it back down.
Yeah,
You can do all your jet adjustments, whatever you want to do there. The whole mid-range circuit's adjustable right there in the spot. Oh, we have some free play. That's a good thing because we have 2 adjusters to take up. See, I purposely had to make them adjusters. I don't know if we're going to have enough adjuster though. I think we're going to be, yeah, we're going to run up a little short on adjusters, I think. As far as I can go on that. Yeah. You can have some free play here, boss. You're gonna have to have at least 2 threads to hold the damn thing. So the other cable, I got another adjuster here, which takes up the slack. I got a little bit of free play, can't get around that for now. I'm getting full throttle, that's all that matters. See in there?
All that matters, right there.
Yep.
WFO. Is that not recording?
I don't know. No, I
Yeah.
turn the light on.
Oh. WFO right there, folks.
Yeah, just go like that.
There you
Look at that ported intake way up in there.
go. Yeah.
See
Custom ported.
That's the only one that matters. Yep. All right, to fix that cable.
He's grinning over there.
To fix that cable,
He's
I'm gonna
smiling.
have to do something different. Now you can let this hang out here in the wind, or we can do something about that.
What would you do about it?
Get your fucking fingers off my damn cable. You didn't pay for that yet. Dumbass. Fuck.
Like giving birth, man.
That's one way of dealing with that.
Zip ties cost money. Frame rails are free.
About 2 cents per.
Not mine.
Oh,
At least-
5 cents per.
At least at mine.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Straight down, look at that. Racing. It's a 21-inch throttle cable. Can't get much shorter than that. Alright. What else you got?
That was quick.
Do we jet it?
I don't know, what do you need?
We're probably gonna have to
Fire it
lean
up.
it.
Why don't you get it running first?
And then we'll find out.
What do we need? I don't know what we need.
Alright, we need to plug in these fucking spark plugs.
No, we don't.
And kick it first a
You
couple
need to get
times.
your butt up there and start kicking until you see oil pressure. Where's your light?
Don't have one.
Yes, you do.
Where? It's down there.
The switch right there.
So I don't have an idiot light though.
Jumper's right there. Light bulb's right here. Where's your hot wire?
Right here. On the regulator.
You need a battery.
On the battery.
You don't have a battery, do you? You
You
don't
can go
need a
get one.
battery. You don't give me a small battery. You can have this, something like that. See, his battery's buried in a stupid ass toolbox. Whatever the hell it is, one of the lunch millers.
Lunch pail.
So we have to do an external connection. We're gonna need another one of these jumpers.
Another one.
Yeah,
Red or black.
I don't care.
It doesn't care.
You have to have a ground. Find me a ground. There's a ground. There's a battery. Give me a real battery.
Oh, sorry. That didn't work again, huh?
No, it didn't work
Yes.
again. See, we have to have a ground. You have to have a hot. There you go. And you get oil pressure, that light goes out. Are you gonna take those out now? Are you getting smarter?
Yep.
Lower down the rest of the way.
Keep going. One more time. One more time. One more. There you
Both
go.
pieces.
All right, one more time.
Alright, one hole more time.
Hey, dumbass.
What?
Oh, you haven't the ignition on yet, do you?
Yeah. Well,
You got to take the plug wires in if you have the ignition on. Where's the plug wires at? When I shut it off, we'll kick for a while to see oil pressure.
89 kicks later, still kicking.
It's like muscle.
No oil pressure yet. Light goes out, we got pressure, oil pressure.
oh, is it empty? You still recording? You don't need to record anymore.
All right, man. Cutting.
Stop and look at the oil tank, see what's going on.
Yeah, I could have a faulty switch.
Take a bite.
Here we go.
No, it appears to have compression.
Yep.
Okay. Appears to have liquid in it now. Do this thing right here.
Sweet. Now what screw is that?
Idle mixture.
Idle mixture.
2 turns
Out or in?
out. 1 3/4.
1 3/4.
Yes. This is speed screw right here in the front.
Okay.
Clamps in the air so the wheel can turn if it wants to. We're going to have a flashlight here to look inside of here to see if it's popping once it gets running. Where's your ignition at? That the one?
Yep.
Damn, it didn't start on the first one. Where's the second one?
Wait, see if I did it the right way. Try it now.
It's the same problem you did last time, didn't have any spark, didn't it? Let's throw it on that. It doesn't appear to have any spark. All right, give me a spark plug over there. See that pull on that strap? Here, hold this. Why'd you give me a fucking plug and electrode on it? Hold that right there. Huh?
Yeah.
Did he spark?
Yeah.
Let's get this jack out of the way here. Let's pull that strap over. Okay. So we had spark or not spark?
I saw spark.
Okay. So his ignition's on. Hopefully. See if we don't have any happening. Not in the kick. Is that? Get this fucking cover off so I can see from here.
Okay.
Should have done something by now. Done nothing. Is that strap slipping or what?